Hi you guys, today I'll be showing you how to get your frontal from this to this. If you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and press that bell. Now let's get into the video. So today I'll be taking my Gold Spine Glue XL and I'll be using that to glue her synthetic wig down. It might be a synthetic wig, but it came out really nice and you can't even really tell. I did the other parts. I usually glue my hair down in 3 sections. So I did the middle and the other side, and now I'm doing this side. So all you want to do is do like a few dots, and once you do that, you want to smooth it out to an even consistency so that it can dry clear and not clumpy. I got a little bit on the lace, but it's okay because it will dry clear and you can always put makeup over it. A little bit got on the ends of her hair. That's nothing I can control, but it will not pull your hair out. It never pulled mine out, and as long as you're not jacking it out, then you'll be fine. Now I'm going to take a blow dryer and I'm just going to blow dry it until it's clear, and then once it's clear, I'll go in with my second coat. I usually do 3 coats for my client so that the wig can stay secure and last long. Using Got To Be Glue, the wig can last up to 2 to 3 weeks. With that being said, it also depends on how good you keep your hair out. So now that I'm finished all 3 coats, I'm going to take the wig and apply it in the right spot. Once I have it in the right spot, I'm just going to take it and push my fingers in it lightly so that it can stick and get a nice hold. So I want to give it an extra hold, so I'm going to part it where I would part like the baby hairs at, and I'm going to take some Got To Be Freeze Blast, and I'm just going to spray that in this section right here, and I'm just going to pat that down and blow dry it. So now I'm going to cut the lace in 3 sections, just like when I applied the glue in 3 sections. When cutting the lace, you want to do jagged lines so that it looks more natural than just doing a straight line. Now that you're done cutting that, if you have any little pieces that you want to get to, it's best that you pull the skin down on the forehead and then go in and cut, because it's easier to get to like that. So I caught her feeling herself in the camera, y'all. This is her first time getting a lace frontal. So yeah, she is serving us. She's giving us looks. So I did go in and pluck the part to make it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm going in with the MAC foundation. I'm not sure what color it is, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the middle of her part so that it can look more like her skin versus just the plain lace. So now I'm gonna go in and give her some baby hairs. I went in with the Gorilla Snot glue to do that. You guys know that is my go-to. I didn't want the baby hairs to be too thick. I wanted them to be thin. So I'm just gonna do the swoop in the middle, and then I'll do 2 on each side. So you guys, my phone died, so I really didn't get to close this video out, but this is like the finished look. Don't forget to go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment again, and tune in for more videos.